So this right here is Cimexa, okay? This is the alternative to Diatomaceous Earth. This right here, they say works a lot better for some reason right here. So I get this, and when I'm helping people out, I usually choose this dust because I've been told that it is more effective dust, longer lasting, as long as it stays undisturbed. Okay, so like what I do is I get this right here, and then I also have a blower. I'm gonna leave, if you look at the description part of the page, I'm gonna leave show you where you can find these at. Okay, so you have the Cimexa dust. You can also, you get Diatomaceous Earth, but then also a blower. This helps blow it out evenly, okay, so you're not getting big clumps everywhere. Now all it takes is a little bit of this dust and it works. The insect crawls over it and boom, it's pretty much a death wish. It's not immediately. It takes a couple of days for it to start, for them to die, but they're pretty much a goners, okay? So I have the dust inside of here, and how I apply it, I can show you. Along the baseboard right here, I just simply, that's a little bit. Make sure it's not down like that. Make sure it's even, or you're gonna get clumps like that. That's a mistake, all right? And I'm gonna take it, and then I just lightly, you see that? Lightly do that. All it needs is a little bit of dust just like that, and it's pretty much death wish for the insect. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.